Haley's in her bouncy chair for the first time, and she's had hiccups for about 10 minutes now. And wouldn't you know it, it seems like they've gone away. Every time she hiccuped, it bounced the chair. And now they're gone, of course. Well, either way, she's cute in her little chair. Aren't you? Yeah. Oh. Oh, big yawn. I've had a few of those in the chair. You gonna fall asleep, baby? Can you give Daddy a smile? That would be awesome. I've only gotten that on camera once, I think. Haley. Oh. Another big yawn. It's almost as good as a smile.